Hey guys, Jaffry Warrior here, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how you can make money with 5 apps. This will probably be my last video talking about apps. I have a lot of other things going on, such as cash for ads, the automated cash system, and some other clickbank affiliate stuff going on right now that I'm going to be teaching you guys about in the next coming videos, and also some YouTube strategies and all that good stuff. So this is really going to be one of my last videos talking about apps. But, before we go through it all that, I want you guys to comment your income goals below, how much you want to make. Share and subscribe. Definitely share this video, being that this is probably going to be one of my last videos talking about these apps. Links to all of these apps will be in the description below. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First of all, let me show some payment proof of each app. You guys know I'm big on payment proof. So first of all, let me go to Vimo. And Vimo basically is a cash transferring system. Dash pays through here. I like Dash to pay through here because it only takes 1 business day. Okay, so basically with Dash, if you guys don't know about Dash, y'all call me Mr. Dash because I talk about Dash. Not in every video, but probably in every other video. But you guys know I love Dash. You get cash for shopping, dining, and gas. You download the Dash app through this link right here, and this link will be in the description below. And when you link a card, you get a $5 bonus. And basically, when you shop at places in your area, I'm going to bring up the Dash app so I can show it to you. When you shop at places in your area, you can actually get cash back up to 5%, I think, with the Dash app. And let me give it a second for it to load up. Probably should have turned on my home Wi-Fi. Matter of fact, we'll do that right now. This is all, like I said, this is all right in front of you guys. I really roll with the punches with these videos. I want to show you guys that I'm actually a real person, and that you can actually do this as well. So they'll have the offers that are in your area that you can, get. If it decides to load up, there you go. They'll show you the offers that you can get cash back on it. And Denny's has a 15% cash back. Yo, I need to go to Denny's. 15%, and I actually eat at Denny's. That's dope. 15% is a lot of cash back. Yo, that's big. But anyway, you basically come in here, you earn money, and the money and the cash back that you get will go into your Dash wallet. You can also refer people, earn a lot of my money referring people. I will actually teach you how to do that at the end of the video, so you definitely want to stay tuned. So basically, I refer people. Anybody that you refer and that you get to link a verified credit or debit card, you instantly get $5. Then goes to your Dash wallet. The only thing you have to do is make $25 in order to transfer your money and get your first cash back at a in-store or online cashback place. And then you're able to withdraw your money directly to PayPal or Venmo, and that's basically Dash. Most of us get our money from referrals. A lot of people that have been making money with Dash. And if you made money with Dash, comment how much you made in the comment section below. I want to hear from you guys. Let's go over to Society. This is all of this information I've talked about to some extent, but Society is basically an app that allows you to, basically predict what's going to happen on different episodes. And they have a big cash pot, and whoever gets the most answers correct get the bigger piece of the cash pot. So if it's just, for example, let me go to the scoreboard, and you can see I didn't actually win this, but you can see the first person at the top, MR Shaz, won $37 because she got 22 out of the 30 questions correct, and she earned $37 directly to her Society wallet. And then she was able to take the money out from their balance into their PayPal, or either they can get an Amazon gift card or Target gift card. I think I got some more gift cards now, but that's basically what this is. When you come in here, you basically want to use this code right here. When you use this code, you actually get $1 once you play 10 games, and you get an extra referral bonus. So when you come in here and when you download this app and when you use this code, you want to make sure that you're playing actual games in here in order to get access to that referral code. Something is going on with the Society app. Let me pause the video really quickly. Up there it goes. Okay, close out. See guys, I'm actually showing you what's going wrong with the app, but that's Society, and that's the second one. The third one, is Hooch. Hooch is basically a gift card app. It's basically like Dash. You link a card, but only you link your card through a bank system. So you link the card through a bank system. Basically, you sign in your bank. They're not going to take any of your information. You sign in, and you down at a Hooch venue. You get cash back. This is going to work for bigger cities, and you can also refer people and get paid when they link a card through Tap. Okay, so it's basically you get $5 per referral. You can then turn that money into gift cards, or either some other big hotels, and like you can actually, matter of fact, you can actually redeem hotels and stuff like that. Yeah, redeem hotels, redeem gift cards, redeem a drink. I mean, you can do much more in the Hooch app. You just basically need to link a card and start referring people, and that's it. That's the third one. And the fourth one is Fresh Rewards. Fresh Rewards actually pays you $2 when you scan your first receipt. When you come in here, you basically want to get a receipt that you got from Walmart. And I'll actually show you that I've actually scanned receipts because a lot of people don't actually use these apps. This is an app that you can actually just use without referring people and earn a whole lot of money with. You can see I got 14 receipts scanned. I've spent around $466, through Walmart and all the other stuff. And you can just see where I spend the most of my retail money at in Sam's Club, Kroger, Walmart, all that good stuff. You scan the receipt, you get points, and you can turn those points into rewards. Now, they have a different reward system. If you want to go up to 3,000 points, you can get a $3 Amazon gift card. You can get some other stuff in here as well. But you need to wait till you at least get to $10, which is really easy. You can actually earn, like I said, quite a bit just by scanning receipts. Right now, they're giving away 250 points for scanning receipt, but I can actually up that for you guys. If you use this code right here, you can get 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt, and every receipt that you scan after that, you can get 250 points. So that's for you guys. That's excuse me. That's the the fourth app, Society Dash Hooch, and then Fresh Rewards, and then App Flame. All reliable App Flame. I love App Flame. App Flame is basically you get paid to download. Really, really simple. They're not open up right now, so I probably should have never went with them. But yeah, App Flame is basically a place where you can download apps, and the longer you play them, the more points you earn. You turn those points into PayPal, Cash, or anything else that you want to, either gift card or whatever. But these apps pay. And also, speaking of pay, let me go ahead and say something about pay, because pay is actually a good app too. But pay recently have been going through some stuff, and I have pay down here in my actual thumb bar. But anyway, let's wait for it to load up. Basic thing, it is the same process with Hooch. So when you sign up for Hooch, you're gonna go to pay, and you're gonna see they use the exact same connector. Let me cancel this real quick. And basically, you get $15 once both of us get a cashback once both of us have a purchase at a pay merchant. I've already had plenty of purchases with the pay merchant, so basically the only thing you need to do is copy this code, enter it in, and go to a place like Taco Bell, McDonald's, or whatever is in your area. You can see what's in your area just by clicking here, and you can see what's in your area. You can see I have Taco Bell, Walgreens, so any places you have in that same area, you can go there and actually get a reward. Not get a reward, but get a cash back. And once you get a cash back, it'll show up here, and then you'll be able to earn a $15 bonus, because I've already got a cash back at a pay merchant already. And the next thing you need to do, and this is really the last thing you need to do, is basically refer people to here. So once you start start making money with these apps, you want to share this app so you can actually make a little bit more money. You want to place a referral link on business cards, social media, college boards, and pay somebody on Fiverr to do that as well. I'm going to show you one of my posts, and I'm going to show you, then I'm going to end this video. But let me pause this video and show you one of my purchases, not my purchases, but my posts on Instagram. Okay, so now I'm on my Instagram. You can see I have over 1,000 followers, not that many followers, but this is a post that I made on Instagram, basically how to save money and make $50 a day with one app. This is promoting pay. This is promoting the app. It's telling them how to do it, how to link their card. You can do the same thing for Dash. You can do the same thing for Hooch, and then post it and add the hashtags. And if you go to my insights, you can see that this post reached 1,000 people, had 91 saves. So that means 1,707 accounts reached weren't following me. So they actually seen this post. They actually went to my profile. They actually clicked, and they actually are going to go and download the app and actually use this code and get a $5 bonus. So that's how you can do it. And when they make a purchase, they get an automatic cash back and earn $5 per person when they refer to it. All they need is 10 referrals to 10 referrals to get 10 referrals a day to earn $50, basically per day. So that's really all they need. And basically you can do the same thing. I promote on social media. I know a lot of people that are promoting on their actual college boards and business cards, and I know people paying people on Fiverr to do it and getting their link out that way. So whichever way that you choose to do this, you can do that as well. So go ahead and start and put your push your best foot forward, and actually go out there and start making some money with this. All of the links to these apps will be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my last video talking about this subject. Go out there and sign up for these apps, start promoting, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.